Extreme winds in Turkey kill 6 and injure 5. 2 of the fatalities were in Turkey's commercial hub of Istanbul, home to 16 million people, and 3 of the injured are in serious condition. Trees were uprooted, many rooftops were blown away, mosque minarets were toppled, and an iconic clock tower was destroyed. According to Turkey's Meteorology General Directorate, winds reached 130 kilometers per hour in one of the country's most aggressive windstorms in living memory. Turkey frequently has southwesterly winds known as lodos winds, but their speed on this occasion, along with the damage they have caused, is unusual for the country. More than 30 planes were diverted on Monday, though most were rerouted back to Istanbul on Tuesday. The strong wind in Istanbul continues to negatively impact our operations. All our teams are working hard for the safe and comfortable travel of our guests, Turkish Airlines Senior Vice President of Media Relations Yahya Ustane said.
10 cities have suspended school activity and Istanbul has banned motorcycles. Maritime activity along the Bosphorus Strait was also closed to two-way sea traffic.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.